At our company, we are committed to providing the safest and most comfortable working environment as possible. As a part of that commitment, we have developed an extensive safety program to help ensure your health and safety on the job. The purpose of this video is to provide a brief overview of topics important to your safety, health, and success. It doesn't matter if your job is in manufacturing, service, retail, education, or any other industry. The same basic safety principles apply. This video is just the beginning. You will receive more training from your supervisor or trainer. Please watch and listen carefully. You are expected and required to arrive at your workplace on time and prepared to do your job to the best of your ability. Please observe all company dress code and hygiene policies. These policies are in place to protect the safety and health of all employees, associates, contractors, and visitors. Of course, reporting to work under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or controlled substances is absolutely prohibited, as well as possession of these substances on company premises or while conducting company business. If you are taking prescription medication that may affect your ability to operate equipment or to do your job safely, notify your supervisor immediately. Report any injury or chemical exposure, no matter how small, to your supervisor immediately. First aid or medical treatment will be provided as necessary. If any chemical is splashed in your eyes, use the emergency eye wash located in your facility. Flush your eyes for a minimum of 15 minutes. Of course, if chemicals get on your skin, wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. You should also report near misses so an unsafe condition can be changed or fixed, preventing someone else from being injured later. All incidents will be investigated thoroughly to learn the facts and to prevent future incidents from occurring. Good housekeeping practices are not only mandatory, but prevent incidents and injuries. Keep work areas clean and uncluttered. If you see a spill, clean it up or notify a responsible party immediately. Many serious injuries are caused by slips and falls. Make sure all tools and equipment are properly stored in their correct places at the end of every shift. Make sure to report broken or damaged equipment to your supervisor immediately. Not only is it a bad safe work practice, but it is also a serious safety violation to block any emergency exits or electrical panels. To prevent fires, all electrical panels must have 36 inches of clearance. Fire sprinklers must have at least 18 inches of clearance to work effectively in the event of a fire. Remember, good housekeeping is not only important to employee safety, but to visitors' safety and well-being as well. 99.9% of the time, a slip and fall is a preventable incident. Why? Slips and falls generally occur if someone is not paying attention to where they are walking, or that person is moving too fast for floor or lot conditions. Both of these causes are preventable. Whenever possible, avoid walking through puddles, oil spots, or on uneven surfaces. Stay within designated areas. When it's raining or snowing, slow down. Look out for patches of ice and wear approved footwear with good traction. Be aware of changes in the floor surface, such as going from a parking lot to a carpeted office, or to the smooth floor of a warehouse or service center. Basically, pay attention and keep your speed down, and you should be okay. Wear required and appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses or goggles, when handling or using any chemicals. Avoid direct contact with or inhalation of chemicals. Open and dispense chemicals carefully and according to manufacturer instructions and company procedures. The idea of personal protective equipment is to reduce exposure as much as possible. It's also part of your job responsibility. Different types of jobs require different types of eye protection, from basic safety glasses to face shields and special welding face and eye protection. You will be issued the proper eye protection for your particular job, but it is your responsibility to wear it when required. The same is true for hearing protection. There are many different levels and styles of hearing protection. From simple foam earplugs to special headsets, all you have to do is use the equipment. For more information, or if you have any questions, ask your supervisor immediately. Your eyesight and hearing are far too important to put at risk. In the event of a fire, life safety is always the main consideration. Alert people to get out of the building immediately. Do not wait. Small fires turn into big fires in the blink of an eye. If you can extinguish the fire with a fire extinguisher, then do so, but call 911 first for backup. The fire department won't mind responding to an extinguished fire, and if the fire gets out of hand, they will be on the way. Each location has an emergency evacuation plan and map to use in the event of a fire, spill, or natural disaster. Again, your supervisor will provide further information about what to do and where to go in the event of an emergency. That's about all we can cover in this short safety overview. This is just the beginning. At our company, safety training is an ongoing process. We will do our part, but personal safety is also your responsibility. Safe practices will reduce accidents and injuries. Thank you for your attention. And work safely, every day, every shift.